Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say oh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm bringing you along with me to the gym for a good old leg workout. I already have done my warm-up, and right now I'm starting with the hamstring curl machine. I am doing single leg curls just because I feel like they activate my hamstrings a little bit more, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow them hamstrings for sure. And I am doing 10 to 12 per leg, and then I go ahead and I start off with my regular set. I'm doing pretty lightweight right now. There's different ways I train, but for this occasion, I am doing a pyramid. So I'm starting off with really lightweight, which is about what, 55 or something like that, and then I move all the way up to like 115 is my max. Anything more, I would probably hurt my knees, and we don't want to get hurt, okay? So, here we are doing that. I always say keep your back straight. Keep your back tight, keep your abs tight, and try not to swing your legs. You really want to get that contraction and that burn there. Only there where you want it. And if you're feeling it somewhere else, you probably need to lower your weight. That's just my take on it. And here I am now. I have a 50-pound dumbbell, and I'm going to do regular deadlift dumbbells, but with the wide stance. So is this a sumo deadlift or something like that? I'm not sure. But here I am, keeping my back straight, my abs tight, and really getting that good stretch in my hamstrings. I feel like they really, really do make a difference. So here I'm showing you the front view of the exercises, keeping that wide stance, lifting with the heel, squeezing my glutes every time I bring the weight back up. I did about 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and I went ahead and superset it with some dumbbell squats. And these are really growing on me. I'm really starting to like these dumbbell squats. And they're not as hard as regular squats. And if you're wondering what that stain on my butt is, yeah, that is bleach, okay? And these happen to be my favorite leggings, but I still wear them. So if you ever see a girl in the gym with bleach pants, it's probably me, okay? Moving right on to the hip abductor machine. I am doing these in a pyramid also. And I like to do these at a lighter weight. I probably start around 50 pounds, and I move my way up probably up to 80, 85. I feel like if I do these too heavy, I end up using more my quads and my calves. So I really like to just kind of just focus, put the tension on my glutes and keep my abs tight and just really try to like feel that mind to muscle connection. And yeah, I feel like if I go any heavier, I'm just not even really working out my um, glutes or anything like that. And moving on to these Bulgarian split squats. Is that how you say it? Probably not. Okay, these are so hard for me, but I am so happy that I'm actually able to do these now. I did about 3 sets of these, 10 per side per leg, and you can see I'm struggling. And sometimes when I'm struggling, I like to jump. I feel totally safe doing it, but I like to jump because I feel like that kind of gets me going and makes me do the exercise a lot easier instead of going slow. So that's just my take on it. So you should jump if you feel really tired. Moving on to the last exercise, I did the elevated leg press. I had 2 plates on each side, and how I like to do this exercise is, especially when I'm going heavy, I like to have my hands on my knees all the time. I feel like that gives me the stability that I need to prevent my knees from like shaking too much or going out or coming in and causing any injury. So this is just my safe way of doing it, and I did 3 sets of 10 to 12, but I'm pretty sure it was more like 10, 11, and then like one was like 12. I was so tired. Oh my goodness, you can see my big old weave. and but anyway, we pushed through, and yeah, that was pretty much all the workout that I did that day. And I want to just point out that I am not certified in anything, or I am not a personal trainer or anything, but I do always emphasize that you should have good form. And you know, form is everything. Don't ever go super heavy if you don't have that good form. Never, ever, ever, ever. Okay? Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that workout, and let's get going. What is up, guys? Back from the gym. Right after the gym, we went to IHOP because I had to go to the grocery store. So I was like, let's just eat and go to the grocery store, because then I'm not gonna want to go back once I get here. So we went to eat, we went to the grocery store, and Nolan just fell asleep. Now I got this huge mess to clean up. And it doesn't seem like much, but it is. And I took a shower right away. Hey, I feel like this is the most productive I've been in a while, because usually I don't get ready, but I'm thinking about it today. So I'm gonna clean up all this mess and get myself ready, so stay tuned. Finished cleaning, guys, and now I'm gonna do my hair real quickly. It was towel drying, so I was like, yeah, let me just do my hair. It's already pretty much dry. I'm grabbing this big fat brush, and I'm going to just start at the root, blow drying at the root, and just kind of rolling it outward. And I'm gonna do that into the rest of my hair. I like to start at the bottom and work my way up. I'm not really trying to get a curl or anything. It's just it just kind of blow dries straight, and just that's how it pretty much stays. Alright, guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me show you the finished product. This is little I gotta take the trash out, and I gotta put those little dishes in the dishwasher, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna sweep a little bit. And Nolan just woke up. Hey, can you say hi? Nolan, say hi. Say hi. What do you want? I just gave you milk. I'm not giving you any more. You wish. Ven. Alright, and then let me show you. I just gotta put these little things away, and that's pretty much it. Look, it's pretty much all clean. Nolan just came back and made a mess. He just dropped those after I just picked them up. And that's pretty much it. The house is quite clean. I am going to go pick up my older son now. He's just getting out of school, and I'm gonna go get him, and then we're gonna come back and start cooking. But that's pretty much it. This is pretty much my life with my kids. And yeah, I'm getting so tired. I'm like, I think I'm PMSing, so I'm getting super tired.